Are you in search of a reliable companion for your business endeavors? Look no further than the HP 17.3-inch touchscreen HD Plus business laptop. Equipped with cutting-edge features and designed to elevate your productivity, this laptop is a game-changer in the world of business computing. Featuring a spacious 17.3-inch touchscreen HD Plus display, your visuals come to life with stunning clarity and vibrant colors. Whether you're crafting presentations, analyzing data, or attending virtual meetings, the HP 17 ensures every detail is crystal clear. Under the hood, the Intel Pentium Silver N5030 processor delivers blazing fast performance, allowing you to multitask with ease. Paired with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, you can say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless productivity. Stay connected wherever you go with 802.11 AC, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 capabilities. Whether you're in the office, at home, or on the go, the HP 17 keeps you connected to your colleagues and clients. With its sleek and professional design, the HP 17 is not just a tool for productivity, but also a statement of style. Its slim profile and lightweight construction make it the perfect travel companion for busy professionals. But that's not all. With a 1-year subscription to Office 365 included, you'll have access to all the essential tools you need to succeed. Plus, with Windows 11 Pro S, you'll experience enhanced security and efficiency, so you can focus on what matters most, your business. Upgrade your workflow and unleash your productivity with the HP 17.3-inch touchscreen HD Plus business laptop. Elevate your business game and conquer your tasks with confidence. Get yours today and take the first step towards a more efficient tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to supercharge your productivity, click the link in the description to order your HP 17 business laptop today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and business tips. Until next time, stay productive.